Hello friend, welcome back to my channel KBS Technocraft Python Tutorial Day 4 Part 1. If you are interested in learning more about Python basics, I highly recommend checking out some of my previous videos. If you like, please like, subscribe and share. Today we are going to learn list collection in Python. In Python, a list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. Lists are created by placing a comma-separated sequence of an item inside a square bracket. Here are few examples. So, if I want to create a list of numbers, then what we can do, we can declare a variable name that is numbers, and then I can define the list by having a square bracket and value should be separated by comma. So here we get. Now, if you want to declare a names as a list where you want to have a different names in this list, then let's say here Ram and then Raman, then Shobha, Eric, like this. So these two are the two different lists which contains different data type. For example, numbers is containing numbers and names are containing names. Now we will try to perform different operations on this list. So we will consider the first list which is numbers for our different operations. So now if you try to print and then if you put numbers, then it will print you the complete number list. If you try to print the zero index, then it will give you the zero index value of this particular list is 5. Now, if you want to display a subset of this particular number list, to do that you have to pass two values. One is from where you want to from where you want to create a sublist until which index you want to. So let's say consider I want to get the subsection of this particular list from 2 to 5. So in that case, what we can pass it here, we can pass subsection 2 to 5. How we can pass it? So here in this, if I pass 2 to 5, then and I will clear here just to make sure that you are able to see the result. And if I run this here, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means it will give you 2 to 4 index. So for example 0, 1, 2 and then 3, 4. Okay. Now let's say you want to in to insert or append an element to a particular position, or you want to append element into the last of this particular numbers. So if I put here numbers dot append and I will put 4 and I will display this number. So what will happen? This append will always append into the last index of this particular number. That means it will be creating a new value at last position, or it will be adding a value to the last position of this number. So if I run this code, you can see this 4 is added in last of this particular number. Now we will perform other operations on this particular list. If you want to set up a value to a particular index, in that case what we can do, we will have to define index in square bracket and then value. So if I make it 8 here, then the index one, that is 2, will be become 8. Since 8 is there, I will just try to put it something which is not there in this list. So I will put 11. So and the 2, wherever 2 is there, that means index 1 will be replaced by 11. Let's say we will run this code once again and see that if you see 2 is it is 2 is replaced by 11 because we are setting the value at index 1 in between a list elements. So if you pass numbers dot insert and put index and then the value, then these values will be inserted after that particular index. So here you can see this value get inserted on second index. That is 6 is getting inserted on second index, which is between 2 and 8. Okay, let's move to the next. Let's say consider you have a list and then you want to remove a particular element. So let's say consider you if you want to remove a particular number, then let's say I want to remove 8. If I run it, then you output this 8 will be get removed. So if you see the output is 52198 where 8 is getting removed. We will see other few operations and then we'll move to next topic. So now we will see pop. So pop, what does it do? Basically it's work like a now we will see the pop operation. So pop operation will give you list number to be pop. Now we will see the pop operation here. So I'll put pop and then okay. Now we will see the pop operation on a list. So what I have done it, I have put number dot pop and then we will clear this result and we'll see that what is the result. So when you run it, you can see that the pop is going to remove the last element of this particular number list. So you can see here 3 is getting removed when we use pop here. Okay, if you put 2 times pop on the